to all. My name is Ravi Ranjan Kumar from MCA, first SEM. Today I present my presentation guided by Ram Lakhan sir. So my topic is Introduction to CSS, type of CSS, CSS background and CSS borders. Now introduction of CSS. CSS is a language we use to style a web page. It mainly uses to make the web page attractive. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are displayed on a screen paper on its media. There are three types of use in CSS: external CSS, internal CSS, and inline CSS. Now first explain external CSS. With an external style sheet, you can change the look of the entire website of changing just once. Its HTML page just must include reference to the external style sheet file inside the link element inside the head section. External CSS defined within the link element inside head section on HTML page. An external style sheet can written in an text editor and must be saved with .css extension. External CSS will not contain my HTML tag. Here now the my style.css is first look, and note section the external CSS two files. This first file is CSS. Save my style.css. Second file in HTML. Second file link with first CSS file. Now write second file HTML, then link first CSS file. External style are defined within the link element inside the head section of HTML page. This is the course section. Then internal CSS. An internal style sheets may be uses its own style. HTML page has unique style. The internal style is defined inside the style element inside the head section. This is code and this is output. Internal CSS write in only one page in written in HTML and save.html. Then inline CSS. An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for single element. To use inline style, add the style attribute to a relevant element. The style attribute can contain any CSS property. Inline style are defined within the style attribute the relevant element. This is the code and this is output. Next, CSS background. CSS background property uses to make the change background of the web page. CSS background property. This one the CSS background property. Background color, background image, background repeat, and background attachment, background position, background shorthand property. Then first explain background color. It uses to set background color on the web page. This is the code and this one output. Then CSS background image. It uses to set background image the web page. Background image URL and then we link here and output. CSS background repeat. CSS background repeat by the default the background image property repeat an image both horizontal and vertical. Some image should repeat only horizontal or vertical or they will look strange. But user use background repeat properties uses to repeat the background image within the web page. Background repeat property uses to repeat background image horizontally and vertically the web page. Then note section X represent the horizontal or Y represent the vertical. Background repeat slash hyphen X. So this is for repeat horizontally, and background hyphen repeat colon repeat hyphen Y. Then Y represent the image only vertical. CSS background position. The background position is property used to specify the position of the background image. This is the code section. Background hyphen image colon URL, and this background hyphen position colon right top. So image is right top, so is right top. CSS border. The CSS border property allow you to specify the style, width and color of the element border. This is the CSS border style property. The border style property specify the kind of the border display. Dotted define the dotted border. Dash define the dash border. Solid define the solid border. Double define the double border. Right and right in set, outset, non and hidden. This is the code section and this is output. Thank you.